Have you ever wondered when the first rocket took flight? How did we go from ground-bound humans to space explorers? The story of rocketry begins not in the modern era, but in the 9th century with inventive minds from the East. Chinese inventors, combining their knowledge of gunpowder and propulsion, gave birth to the first true rocket. It was a simple but effective design that ignited the imagination of many. These rockets, often used in warfare, became the harbingers of a new era, leaving trails of smoke and fire in the skies. They may have been primitive, but they laid the groundwork for a revolution in technology that would eventually lead us into the cosmos. They were the first step in a journey that would transform us from earthbound beings to explorers of the vast, infinite expanse of space. So, how did we get from there to here? From these humble beginnings, the journey to the stars began. Fast forward to the 20th century when the birth of modern rocketry took place. In our journey through the cosmos, one name stands out: Robert H. Goddard. This brilliant physicist and inventor was the mind behind the world's first liquid-fueled rocket, launched in the year 1926. Goddard's groundbreaking invention was more than just a rocket. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of progress that would light the way to the stars. This liquid-fueled rocket, unlike its solid-fueled predecessors, offered more control and efficiency, revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with space. Goddard's innovative design became the blueprint for modern rocketry. His work didn't just mark the beginning of a new era in rocket science, but it also opened up a universe of possibilities for space exploration. His daring dreams and relentless pursuit of knowledge set the stage for every space mission that would follow. Goddard's work laid the foundation for the space age. As the 20th century progressed, a new competition emerged: the space race. This was a period marked by a fierce rivalry between two world superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, both driven by the desire to pioneer in the realm of space exploration. In the midst of this rivalry, on October 4, 1957, history was made. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, into orbit around Earth. This basketball-sized object, beeping its signal from the darkness of space, was a clear demonstration of Soviet technological prowess. The launch of Sputnik 1 sent shockwaves around the globe, especially in the United States. It was a wake-up call, signaling that the Soviets had taken the lead in the race to space. This event sparked an unprecedented rush in the United States to catch up, igniting a competition that would shape the future of space exploration. With Sputnik's launch, the race to the stars was on. Perhaps the most iconic event in the history of rocketry is the moon landing. In the summer of 1969, the world held its collective breath as the Apollo 11 mission, launched by a Saturn V rocket, made its way to the moon. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, aboard the lunar module Eagle, dared to tread where no humans had ever set foot before. Armstrong's first words as he stepped onto the lunar surface, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe, marking a monumental achievement in our history. This event not only demonstrated the vast potential of rocket technology, but it also symbolized the limitless capabilities of the human spirit. It was a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our unyielding determination to conquer the unknown. The moon landing was a triumph of human ingenuity and the power of rocketry. In the 21st century, a new era in rocketry has begun. Private companies have blasted off into the cosmos, disrupting the space industry with the audacity of their ambitions and the scale of their achievements. Among these trailblazers, SpaceX and Blue Origin stand as towering giants. In 2018, SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful operational rocket, took flight. It was a moment that etched itself into the annals of history, forever marking the first time a private entity sent a payload into orbit around the sun. And this was only the beginning. Blue Origin 2 has been pushing boundaries, bringing us closer to a future where space travel becomes as common as an airplane ride. Their reusable rockets are changing the economics of space travel, making the vast expanse of space more accessible to us than ever before. As we look to the future, the journey of rocketry continues to unfold in exciting and unpredictable ways.